Welcome to Autoserve and our Guaranteed Maintenance mini-series. Over the next few moments, we will take a look at Autoserve's warranty claim booking facility. Every new car on sale in the UK is supplied with a warranty. Although every car manufacturer is different and warranties do vary from model to model. If you're not sure if a vehicle part is covered by the warranty, we can look into this for you. If your new vehicle develops a fault, which falls within the vehicle's warranty cover, we'll book your vehicle into the garage for the issue to be investigated on your behalf. You simply need to call us or complete our warranty claim booking form and we'll do the rest. If you have any questions, please contact your account manager, your broker, or give our operations team a call. Thanks for watching. Ensure to check out the rest of our Guaranteed Maintenance mini-series.